Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Part A, binding of a non-competitive inhibitor to an allosteric site induces a conformational change in the enzyme, altering the active site shape and preventing effective substrate. Or catalysis. Part B, based on Figure 1, S1 binding induces a positive charge in the catalytic domain's active site. Between the enzyme and S2 increases the probability of S2 binding. Part C, heating ATKs likely denatures the regulatory R domain or disrupts the physical connection between the. To represent this, the model should be modified to show the C and R domain separated or the R domain shape significantly distorted, while the C domain maintains its functional active site. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.